this video, we will look at how to process data through InstaLOD Grid using InstaLOD Studio XL. Please be aware that a master server and processing slave need to be set up first to successfully process data through InstaLOD Grid. With InstaLOD Studio XL opened, navigate to the top right-hand side of the application and select Grid Not Connected. Enter the master server IP address and port number, including your user account details, to successfully connect to the server. Load a mesh into the viewport and set up a mesh operation profile. To process the files, click Start. Here you have the option to name and prime, auto prime, or prime the task later. The file will then automatically be sent to the Grid master server, which will find an available slave for further processing. Once the file has been processed, it can then be downloaded.